Hello guys, I'm bringing you a guide on Steam on how to get really fast in a level where you, yeah, just try to get really fast. Okay, so step 1, make sure that you're on a server. If you hold spacebar down like this, that you will keep jumping. If you will not, just like this, and hold space down and not jump again, then it's a wrong server, it won't work. You gotta find another. So the second step, when that is secured, you gotta go to options, scroll all down, Michelin's movement, and turn left, edit key, and it's gonna be C. If you're not having another, it's easiest to see. Okay, so now you're done. Then you hold whatever you're moving forward on. I'm using W, and then C you hold on and spacebar, so you actually jump like this. So, and if you keep jumping, you can see you get faster and faster and faster. So now I release C and still hold the other, so you actually move yourself with the mouse. That is pretty damn epic. So yeah, I think that is good. So I just found out this when one of my friends told me how to do this. So I just I don't know, put a video up on it on YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can one hit. You'll damage more if you're really fast. So like if you're jumping on him and then just knife, then you'll damage very much. So yeah, see you later guys.